Morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the long composition, that is article, debate and speech. There are some things that you must remember before writing a long composition. Giving a title. It is generally of 4 to 6 words, but still it can vary. It can be a single word or a phrase or even a sentence. But some of the qualities are it must be descriptive, catchy, thought provoking, and sometimes it can be surprising also. Then the body part. The body is divided in 3 parts, that is, the beginning, a proper middle section, and a conclusion. Coming to the beginning, it must be relevant and original. It should arrest the attention of the reader or the listener. The middle section of the article or speech should consist of facts, figures, and logics. Everything must be linked with each other. The conclusion part must not be abrupt, vague, and shabby. It must conclude in such a way that it sums up everything that you have written in the article or speech. One must also remember to have several paragraphs and if possible give a proper heading to each paragraph. One paragraph should deal with one argument or point only. Each paragraph must be linked with each other, another one. Other things that you must remember. First of all, intention of writing. Who the people will be, the target audience, like who will be the readers, what all you will be giving. You are going to give some information. It is entertaining or motivating. What is the purpose of the writing? Then the audience. It can be students, some educated people, like maybe seminar. Maybe you are writing for a newspaper or magazine. It depends on all these things that you write it. Some information is given in the question. So using the information, any written or as well as visuals should be interpreted, edited and reproduced as the requirement. Many hints are given in a very short question, so one must read it carefully. Research and planning. Because it's a long question, it needs a good research as well as planning. It requires facts, figures, and data. All such information must be collected on the basis of your earlier readings of newspapers, magazines, books, or maybe from the internet. When you have all the ideas and information collected with you, then you can plan the sequence. What all will be the sequence while you are writing? You can also make a rough draft if possible, if time permits. Usage of the quotations. Famous sayings and quotations must be used particularly in the beginning or at the end. Using quotations is a good thing, but sometimes some students overdo it, which is not a good thing. Coming to the difference between article and debate and speech, there is hardly much difference in the way you are going to write, but the major one is that a speech and debate begins with formal address to the audience, but an article is given a title in the beginning and by. Till now, it is the rules and some information that you must keep in mind before writing. Next, I will be giving formats and some exercises on it. Go through it and be safe, be at your home. Thanks. Bye.